Yo, it's Mixbag 101 with tips to free up smartphone storage without losing data. Let's dive in. First up, let's talk about app cache. Cache is temporary data that helps apps run smoothly by storing information for quick access. However, over time it can accumulate and take up significant space on your device. Clearing app cache is straightforward on Android devices. Simply go to your settings, find the apps section, and then clear the cache for each app individually. This process can free up a lot of space and improve performance. For iOS users, the process is slightly different. Navigate to the storage settings for each app, where you can choose to offload or delete the cache. This helps in managing storage effectively. It's important to note that clearing the cache won't delete any important data or personal information. It simply removes temporary files that are no longer needed. To maintain optimal performance, it's a good idea to clear your app cache regularly, perhaps once a month. This routine can prevent your phone from slowing down and ensure it runs efficiently. Regularly clearing the app cache keeps your phone running smoothly and helps avoid those annoying storage full warnings. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain your device's performance and longevity. Next, let's talk about cloud storage. Services like Google Drive, iCloud, and Dropbox store files online, freeing up phone space. Most offer free storage with paid plans for more space. Access your files from anywhere, anytime. No more emailing files to yourself or digging through old hard drives. Taming the downloads folder beast. It's a task many of us overlook, but it's crucial for maintaining a well-organized and efficient computer. When was the last time you cleaned your downloads folder? If you can't remember, it's probably been too long. This folder can quickly become a dumping ground for all sorts of files. It can become a black hole of forgotten files, eating up valuable space and making it harder to find what you need. Over time, this clutter can slow down your system. Start by deleting old installation files, random PDFs, and memes. These files often accumulate without us even realizing it. Sort by size to quickly identify and delete the biggest space hogs. Large files can take up significant space, so getting rid of them can make a big difference. Make it a habit to clean it out regularly. Set a reminder if you need to. Regular maintenance can prevent the folder from becoming unmanageable. A quick sweep once a week saves storage headaches. It only takes a few minutes but can save you from hours of frustration later on. Keep your downloads folder tidy and your computer running smoothly. Unlock the power of built-in tools. In today's fast-paced digital world, managing your device's storage efficiently is crucial. Both Android and iOS have built-in tools to manage storage. These tools are designed to help you keep track of your data usage and ensure your device runs smoothly. On Android, find the storage section in Settings for a detailed breakdown of space usage. This section provides insights into how much space each app and file type is consuming. Many Android phones have storage analyzers that recommend files to delete. These analyzers can identify large files, duplicate photos, and unused apps, making it easier for you to free up space. iOS has the iPhone storage feature in Settings, which shows space usage and offers optimization tips. It can suggest offloading unused apps and deleting old messages to save space. Explore these tools to save time and effort in managing storage. By regularly checking and optimizing your storage, you can prevent your device from slowing down and ensure it performs at its best. They can be surprisingly powerful. With just a few taps, you can reclaim significant amounts of storage, making your device more efficient and responsive. Android users, unleash the SD card. If your phone has an SD card slot, use it to expand storage. Move photos, videos, music, and some apps to the SD card. Choose an SD card with enough capacity for your needs. And there you have it, 5 tips to free up space on your smartphone. Keep your phone running smoothly and hold on to important data. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more tech tips. Until next time, keep your storage spacious. Peace!